Right, welcome back to the channel. Got to record this on the phone at the moment, so do excuse the ghostly stare of the camera. It's my awful lighting still. So, as you can see from the black, we have started to put some of the roof up. We've got that side, we've got this corner, and the other four corners. We've still got the spare stock down there to do the infill parts. As you know, we've got the electrics up, and that. What we've also now got is that. So the cabinets are all in, and as you can see, the worktop has arrived. So carefully cut. We've got to just trim it out, secure it down to the cabinets. We've got CLS timber there to do the grid pattern on the roofs, which will mill up, and then we'll show you what we're doing with that. It'll make more sense then. We've got the sockets to go. Still trying to find the faceplate for that, but we'll find it somewhere in the other shed. So we'll get the camera charged up, it's a bit flat, and then we can show you everything that we're up to. See you in a bit.